Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Students, we have started correlation and in previous video we get some basic information about that. Now today we are going to start some. The first sum of this chapter to study the relationship between sales and profit made by company. Find correlation coefficient between sales and profit given the following information. So here they give two variable, first sales in crore and profit in lakh would be given. Okay, this is the amount. So first of all, we have to write information in this way in table format. The first sale in crores and second profit in lakh. We can give them name. It is a first variable sale. It is denoted by x. Okay, and the second variable profit, it is denoted by y, x and y. Now here the first question, which method we should apply? There are total three methods to find out correlation. Okay, let's see that. In a previous video we see that there are three methods. First, scatter diagram method. I told about this in a previous video. No sum would be asked about this. Normally theory would be asked. Okay, an important theory of this chapter, scatter diagram method. Okay, તો આમાંથી theory પૂછાશે એટલે આ દાખલા તો હોઈ નહીં શકે. So here we have to solve this sum, second method or third method. Now the question is second or third. So very simple. The third method about Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. If in a question they clearly told that find out coefficient by Spearman or find out rank correlation, okay, in that case we should use third method to find out correlation coefficient. એટલે કે દાખલામાં સ્પષ્ટ કહ્યું હશે what find out correlation by Spearman or find out rank correlation coefficient. Okay, they clearly told that. દાખલામાં સ્પષ્ટ કહ્યું હશે કે સ્પીયરમેન અથવા એનો જે રેન્ક કોરિલેશન છે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો, એવી સિચ્યુએશનમાં તમારે થર્ડ મેથડ અપ્લાય કરવાની છે. અધરવાઇઝ ઓલવેઝ વી શુડ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કોરિલેશન વિથ ધીસ કાર્લ પિયર્સન. ઓકે, એટલે થર્ડ મેથડ ક્યારે અપ્લાય થશે એના માટે સ્પષ્ટ કહ્યું જ હશે. they clearly told that find out by the Spearman's rank coefficient, correlation coefficient. Okay, સ્પષ્ટ કહ્યું હશે. Otherwise always Karl Pearson. Now here in this sum they just asked that find out correlation between sales and profit. They didn't say anything about Spearman or rank correlations. It means we go with this Karl Pearson. Okay, તો આપણે Karl Pearson થી શોધીશું. Clear? So remember this for whole chapter. Which method we should apply, second or third. Now here we come to know that we have to find out correlation coefficient with the help of Karl Pearson method. So I told in a previous video there are total 5 formula, and the fourth formula means fourth and fifth formula specially for short sum. In a long sum normally we use these three, first, second and third. Now which formula we should apply, I also explained in a previous video. Okay, if x bar and y bar are integer means 20, 45 like this amount, then we should go the first formula. If x bar and y bar are fractional, if any one is fractional, x bar or y bar માંથી જો કોઈ પણ fraction એટલે કે અપૂર્ણાંક હોય 20.5, okay, 80.6, whatever, any one from x bar y bar, then we go with second formula. And third, the value of xi and yi are less than 20, then third formula. Okay, so let's see here which formula we can apply. So just think about the third formula. Third formula says that the value of xi and yi are less than 20. Now here you can see that almost every are more than 20. So we can't apply the third formula. So the option is first formula or second. So for that what we have to find out, x bar and y bar. Okay, એટલે હવે third તો possible છે જ નહીં, બધી 20 થી વધારે જ છે. And first અને second માટે તમારી પાસે શું હોવું જોઈએ, x bar અને y bar હોવું જોઈએ. If x bar અને y bar both are integer means round of amount, પૂર્ણાંક amount, then we should go with first formula. If any one answer would be in point means fractional, then we should apply second formula. So which formula apply, we should find out what the mean x bar and y bar. With that we can get the idea. So what is formula of x bar and y bar? How can we find out x bar? X bar means sigma x divided by n, and y bar means sigma y divided by n. So we have to find out sigma x, sigma y. So total of x column, it is sigma x, and total of y column, sigma y. So let's find out. So it is 204, and here 492. Okay, 204, 492, 204 and 492, and n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, total 6. So here we get 82 and 34. So we can see that x bar and y bar both are integer. Okay, બંને પૂર્ણાંક સંખ્યા છે. So here we should go with the first formula. Okay, what is the first formula? Sigma x minus x bar, y minus y bar, divide by in root sigma x minus x bar whole square, sigma y minus y bar whole square. Okay, now to find out this, which column we have to prepare, you can easily see that here the multiply of x minus x bar, y minus y bar, division, you can see that x minus x bar square, y minus y bar square. So here the main point is x bar, x minus x bar, and y minus y bar. So you get the idea that which column we should prepare, that is x minus x bar and y minus y bar. We need x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Then another, which column we should prepare? So you can see that here division, there is a square, x minus x bar square, y minus y bar square, both have a square, and here both are in multiplication. So the next column would be like that, x minus x bar square, and here y minus y bar square. Okay, both have a square, so we should prepare the square column, and the last multiplication. Clear? So we should prepare these 5 columns. So let's start. First, x minus x bar. So you can see that x bar is 34. So let's prepare x bar 34. So 35 minus 34, it is a 1. 42 minus 34, it is 8. 28 minus 34, 6. 30 minus 34, minus 4. 25 minus 34, 11. Sorry, 9. Yes, 9. 44 minus 34, 10. Clear? X minus x bar completed. Same y minus y bar. So here our y bar is 82. Y bar 82. So here y 85. 85 minus 82, 3. 93 minus 82, 11. 71 minus 82, minus 11. 80 minus 82, minus 2. 64 minus 82, minus 18. 99 minus 82, 17. And now remember, in every sum you have to check this. What? The total of this x minus x bar and y minus y bar must be 0. Okay, total of x minus x bar and total of y minus y bar always 0. Okay, if it is not 0, then remember you must have made a mistake. દરેકે દરેક દાખલામાં ખાસ ચેક કરી લેવાનું છે. Here you just tally your answer that the total must be 0. Okay, total કેટલું આવવું જોઈએ? 0 આવવું જ જોઈએ. જો 0 નહીં આવે તો સમજી લેજો કોઈક મિસ્ટેક થઈ ગઈ છે. Clear? You can check that 1 plus first these minus numbers, minus 6, minus 4, minus 10, minus 10, minus 19, and the plus number 10, 8 and 1, plus 19, plus 19, minus 19, you can see that the answer would be 0. So you have to must check x minus x bar and y minus y bar total must be 0. Here you can also check this 3 plus 11 minus 11 to 18, 17, it would be 0. Okay, એટલે 0 થવું જ જોઈએ, એટલે ચેક કરી લેવાનું, જો ભૂલ હશે તો મરી જશે. Clear? So remember this, in every sum means whenever you are going to find out x minus x bar, y minus y bar, it must be always 0. If not, it means you made any mistake. Clear? Okay, now 82 minus 3. Now next prepare the next column. First of all, x minus x bar square. Okay, so we have to do square of this. So here 1, 64, 36, 16, 81 and 100. Okay, let's total them. 1, 64, 36, 16, 81 and 100. 298. Next column, y minus y bar square. We have to square of this column. 80 minus 3, 9, 121, 121, 4, 1. I have removed it. I'm going to prepare this column again. 85 minus 82. 3, 93 minus 82. 11, 71 minus 82. Minus 11, minus 2, 64 minus 82. 18, 99 minus 82. 17. Okay. Now 3 square 9, 11 121, 11 121, 2 4, 18, 18 324 and 17 289. Okay. Now let's total them. Total is 868. And last column we have to multiply this x minus x bar, y minus y bar. 3 into 1 3, 88 minus minus plus 66 minus minus plus 8. 9 into 18, 18 nines are 162, 10 into 170. So 3 double 8 double 6 8 162 170 497. Now let's put value in the formula. So first of all, x minus x bar, y minus y bar multiply. So we get 497. Divide by in root x minus x bar whole square. So it was 298 into y minus y bar whole square. It is 868. So 497 divide by 298. If we take out root, 17.16 and here 29.46. So now let's find the final answer. We get 0.98. Okay, so here our sum completed. But in a previous video I told you that this first, second and third, these sums this formula we should apply specially for a long sum. And I told one more thing, the answer would be same if we are going to apply first formula, second or third. Means any formula, in every case answer would be same. ત્રણેય કેસમાં જે answer આવશે, answer કેવો આવશે? સરખા આવશે. Answer કેવો આવશે? સરખા આવશે. Answer would be same. So right now we are going to solve this sum again with this formula, this second formula. Okay, we are going to solve this sum again with the second formula, means this UV formula, and we can check that the answer would be same. The first column is x, second is y. Now what is the second formula? The UV formula, n sigma UV minus sigma u sigma v divide by n sigma u square sigma u whole square sigma v square v whole square. Okay, now let's put value here. Sorry, let's find out. So here the main thing is u and v. So how to find out this u and v? So u is nothing, we know d. When we find out mean, મધ્યક જ્યારે find out કરીએ છીએ, so there is a one word sigma fi dy divided by n into c. So here we find out d. What is the formula of d? X minus a divided by c. C means class interval. Here there is no class. Okay, so here if we remove that, the formula of d means x minus a. The same way it is a u, it is just name change. Now d becomes u. So what is the formula of u? That is x minus a. Clear? For this variable x. Okay, x na variable માટે આપણે u યુઝ કરીશું x minus a for the x variable. Now there are another variable y. So for the y we use v and it would be y minus b. Okay, u માટે આપણે x માટે આપણે a યુઝ કર્યો છે, so v એટલે કે y માટે આપણે b યુઝ કરીશું, a and b. So this way we get the value of u and b. Now here a and b, what it is, suppose we have to suppose from that variable x or y. Let's think about this u x minus a. So here we have to suppose any number as a from the value of this x. Okay, x ની value માટે આપણે કોઈને a suppose કરીશું. You can suppose any number and answer would be same in every cases. But I suggest always suppose the number like the round off, means 10, 20, 30 like that. So it would be easy to prepare column. હંમેશા એવો જ નંબર સિલેક્ટ કરો 20, 30, 40 વાળો. તો જે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન છે ને, જે બાદબાકી છે, તમે મોઢે કરી શકશો, કેલ્સીનો યુઝ ઓછો થશે. So here we have to suppose any number as a. What? We can go with this 30. Okay, let's suppose 30 as a. Now prepare this column. I think you didn't need calci more. Let's prepare x minus a. Here x 35, 35 minus 30. You didn't need calci. You will get direct answer 5. 42 minus 30. You will get 12. 28 minus 30, it is a minus 2. Here 30 minus 30 is 0. 25 minus 30, minus 5. 44 minus 30, 14. Okay, clear? You can see that you can do without calci. You can do calculation without calci. Now y minus b, we have to suppose any number as a b from this y. So કોને suppose કરીએ? I just told you 10, 20, 30, 40 like that number. If there is no number like this, then you can suppose anything. Okay, એવો કોઈ નંબર જ નહીં હોય 20, 30, 40, તો કોઈ બી નંબર લઈ લો. Here available that, go with that. Let's suppose 80 as a b. Now 85 minus 80, 593 minus 80, 1371 minus 80, minus 9, here 0. 80 minus 64, it is a 16, and 80 minus 99, 19. Okay, our u and v completed. Now next what we need, here the same pattern, there is a multiply of u and v, and you can see that there is a square of u and v square. So the next column would be u square, v square, and uv. Actually it is same pattern like this. Look at here. Here we find out x minus x bar, y minus y bar, then we made a square of them and then multiply of both. Okay, તો એ જ પેટર્ન બી અહીંયા ફોલો થશે, બંનેનો સ્ક્વેર અને બંનેનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન, square and multiplication. So let's square them. Here 25, 144, 40, 25, 196. Now we square. Let's square of this. So 5, 25, 169, 81, 0, 256, 361, and the multiply u and v multiplication 25, 12 into 13, 156, 18, 0, 18, and 2, 6. Okay, now let's total them. This is sigma u, 5, 12, 24. Sigma v, 13, minus 6 minus 9, 12. Sigma u square, 394. Sigma v square, 5, 169, 81, 256, 361, 892. uv 25, 156, 18, 80, 266, 5, 5. Now let's put value in the formula. We have every value. First of all, n and 6, sigma uv 5, 4, 5, sigma u 24 and 12. Okay, divide by n 6, sigma u square 394 sigma u whole square means 24 whole square and 6 sigma v square 892 sigma v whole square 12 whole square. Now 545 into 6 3270 24 into 12 288 394 into 6 2364 24 6 576 892 into 6 5352 144 327 minus 288 2982 364 576 1788 53 minus 144 5208 2982 here 32.16 42.28 2982 divided by 42.28 divided by 72.16. So you can see that the same answer 0.98. You will get the same answer 0.98. Now the question is, normally which formula would be easy? Now yes, you think practically which formula easy. Here we should prepare 5 column. Okay, if we apply UV formula, here also 5 column. But look at this calculation in this formula. You will get the answer in third step. Okay, and also easy. Look at, you just put value, take out root, and you will get the answer. And in UV formula, you can see that how many steps you have to do and how many multiplication you have to do. So this is the difference. So the question is which formula we should apply. So normally uh, almost many professor and teachers suggest that always go with this second formula. Always in every sum forget this heading. Okay, most of બધે એવું જ કહે છે કે આ heading ને ભૂલી જાઓ, બધામાં UV નો formula apply કરો. You will get the answer. It is right, not the wrong. But I suggest that go with this heading. So it will save your time and nothing. Okay, heading ને follow કરશો તો તમારો time બચવાનો છે. If you find out in if you apply this UV formula in every sum of this chapter, you will get the same answer and no marks will cut in exam also. Okay, પરીક્ષામાં બી કોઈ marks કપાવાના નથી. But the plus point is your time would be saved if you follow this heading and nothing. Okay, if this sum we are going to solve this first sum, if you apply this formula, you can say that your time would be saved compared to this. Okay, આ apply કરો તો time એમાં બચે છે. So I suggest that follow the heading and apply the formula with their heading. Okay, heading સાથે apply કરો, જે heading match થતું હશે, okay, એ રીતે apply કરો. Otherwise, if you confuse that or you think that I am not going to remember this heading, then you go with this. Okay, apply this formula in every sum, you will get the same answer. Now it's depend on you. Answer the same જ આવવાનો છે. And there is no condition, there is no rules that you always apply this formula or this formula or this formula, or you just check that x bar y bar integer or fraction. એવું કોઈ rules નથી. This is just for easy our calculation and nothing. Okay, calculation ને easy બનાવવા માટે આપેલા છે. Okay, બાકી તો formula તમે કોઈ પણ apply કરો, answer તો same જ આવવાનો છે. Now it's depend on you. You want to apply this formula in every sum or you go with this heading. Okay, now choice is yours. Now we are going to solve this sum again with this third formula. Okay, આ third formula થી પણ આપણે solve કરીને check કરી લઈએ. Okay, now we are going to solve this sum again by applying the third formula. The formula is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square n sigma y square minus y whole square. Now here which column we should prepare? So here the multiply of x and y, and we need a sigma x sigma y. So it here we need especially x and y. So here already we have a x and y. Okay, if we total them, so we get sigma x and sigma y, right? We get the sigma x sigma y. Then we have to multiply this x and y, so we should prepare column of their multiply, and in a division there is a x square and y square. So which column we should prepare? First x square, y square and xy, only three column. Here we should prepare only three column. It is always same, I told you. Look at here, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, then we make square of them and then multiply. Okay, here same, we find out u and v, then square of them and multiply. Here the same pattern x and y, but we have already x and y, the amount which is given, that is our x and y. So we have to prepare square of them and xy, right? So here you can see that in previous two method we have to prepare five columns. Here only three columns. Okay, અગાઉ પાંચ column બંનેમાં બનેલી, આમાં ત્રણ column જ કામ પડી જશે. But here the amount is higher, like in lakh and crore and thousand. Okay, amount લાખોમાં જશે, હજારોમાં જશે, કરોડોમાં પણ જઈ શકે. One more point, here to prepare this five column, also here to prepare this five column, we need calcium very less. Okay, calcium ની જરૂરિયાત એકદમ ઓછી પડશે. We don't need so much calcium here, but this here we can't solve some, we can't prepare this column and even any one column without calcium. Calcium column बनશે नहीं, we use calcium 100% here. So let's start, you will get the idea. First column x square. Now you didn't know square of all this amount, you must need calcium. Okay, એટલે આમાં calcium વગર દાખલો થઈ નહીં શકે, means કે fully calcium ની જરૂર પડશે 100%. So let's prepare that. 1764 784 900 635 1936. The total is 7234. Okay. Right. 7234. Now y square. This was 85 7225 93 8649 71 501 5041 80 6400 64 4096 99 9801. Total 41212. Now the multiply of both x and y. 35 into 85 2975 42 into 93 3906 28 into 71 1988 30 into 80 2400 25 into 64 16435. Total 17225. So let's start. Put value in the formula. Our n is 6, sigma xy 17225. Sigma x and sigma y we have total in first sum. Okay, 204492. 204492. 0449. Here n6 sigma x square 7234 sigma x whole square 204. 6 sigma y square 41212 and sigma y 492 all here 103350 into 492 100368 7234 into 6 43404 41616. So you can see that I told you here numbers comes in lakh, thousand, okay, and without calci you cannot solve this. And here the mistake is like here 247272, so by mistake you write here wrong amount. Okay, even કેલ્સીમાંથી તમે જોઈને લખો તેમ છતાં ભૂલ થઈ શકે છે. તો બસ એકમાં આ વીકનેસ પોઈન્ટ છે. દરેકમાં કંઈક ને કંઈક વીકનેસ છે જ. So that we have to follow their heading. So it would be easy to calculation. So now here we get 2982 43404 41616 1788 24722 4264 528 2982. Here it roots 72.17 and 42.28. The final answer same 0.38. So if you apply any formula, you will get the same answer. Now remember, in every sum, follow their heading. With the heading, your calculation would be easy. If x bar and y bar are fractional, in that case, if you apply this formula or this formula, your calculation will be hard. Okay, calculation agree bani jase. But jo આ formula apply કરશો, calculation would be easy and nothing. If x and yi are less than 20, in that case, if you apply this formula, your calculation easy. But instead of this, if you apply any 1 and 2 formula, your calculation become hard and nothing. Answer same. Okay, clear? So now it's depend on you. You go with the heading or in every cases and this second formula. Okay, હવે choice તમારી છે, તમે કયો apply કરો, answer same જ આવશે. Okay, clear?